Replace the old wavy bent plate with a straight edge design and imagine the possibilities. Extruded 60 KSI steel using a proprietary process, increasing capacity by 200%. The patented J-Edge anchor system offers many unique benefits to commercial steel construction, including greater in-shop fabrication and a unique bolted connection, offering a simpler and faster field installation of facades, safety railings, and supporting materials. The J-Edge corner is mitered in the shop. Our optional safety railing adapter is pre-bolted, making field install a snap. And the optional shop welded slab depth extension accommodates any size needs. The J-Edge anchor system and safety railing component ship by the truckload anywhere in the United States. Find out more. Request an online presentation for your company or design team, or get a free project assessment including slab edge detail. Email info@jedgeanchor.com or watch more informative videos at jedgeanchor.com. See you in the field!